So again, Kingdom of Heaven. Jesus called for a child to come over and stand near him. Then he said, I promise you this. If you don't change and become like a child, you will never get into the Kingdom of Heaven. But if you are as humble as this child, you are the greatest in the Kingdom of Heaven. And when you welcome one of these children because of me, you welcome me. Okay, so kagaya lang nga ng isa. Nagbigay pa siya ng parang mas dinilan niya pa rito na
Yes.
change your mind like a child.
Yung, di ba? Merong pag-change ng mind.
Change your mind, yeah.
Kasi kung yung mapalitan yung pag-iisip mo at magmamatigas,
Ah.
ito na yung alam ko, ito na yun, nakasanayan ko na tong aral na to bakit kailangan pang palitan? Diba? Kung may mas akma at tamang turo, why not?
Yes.
At kung mas mapabuti ka ng turo na yun, why not? Diba? Matanda lang naman yung matigas ang ulo. Kasi ang bata, madaling